Let's go spring, let's go spring, let's go spring, let's go spring, yeah. Go spring, go spring, go spring, go spring, go spring, because winter is gone, sleep mode on for the video, sleep mode is on, sleep mode is on. 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 Ooh, ooh, ooh. Waking up this time of year. 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 Year. Woo! Hi guys. You're probably wondering why I did that because for some reason. But I did it because I'm live streaming today, and this is my second live stream. I don't even know if it's gonna be in my live, but yeah, I need to go get something. Kids probably can't read it, but it says live, but backwards. I'm gonna be playing a ton of games on my computer. Well, this video is for kids. Yes, kids can watch YouTube, but only if it's appropriate for them. Okay, we're gonna play my super obby. This is my super obby. I'll show you it. Get down. Oh, come back. I did it. It caused a lot of pain. Yes. 8 question mark. Oh my goodness. My grandma has a really bad cough, so I'm not going to be recording her today. Or if you want to see her, no. Boing! Oh no! Gotta jump again. What does this lead to? Okay, now we're going to the second game. Toca Boca. That other one was really short, but today, right now, we're not doing it short. Dear goodness. I want a detailed one. Okay, this one isn't detailed. I will keep going until I reach you. One. Oh, this one's detailed. What does this actually look like? Boo. What this? How long did this take you to make? I'm definitely taking a picture of this. Just look it! Look at that masterpiece! Oh no. I can tell by... Look it! I built that. I built it. Oh, say, hooray! No, I didn't build it. Look what I did to it. I did this. Now I did this. Look it, I ruined it. I ruined it. Just to make you guys sad. Well, not to make you guys sad, but... let's just do something even better. It's dead. I'll do something real quick.